Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, level, gold, and required items. Once checked, travel directly to the designated Taunt NPC or event map. Do not detour. Make sure your inventory has space and your combat settings are optimal. Then accept the relevant quest or event prompt immediately. This kicks off the chain that grants access to the Taunt acquisition tasks. Continue without delay because event timers and spawn windows often close quickly. Once done with the starter step, complete the intermediate quest stages in order. You'll fight named mobs and perform map objectives, prioritize mechanics, interrupt elite skills, kite heavy hitters, and burst weak phases. Make sure to pick up all quest drops and use combine menus immediately when prompted. If an item needs trading or crafting, do it now to unlock the next stage. Keep an eye on quest timers and respawn patterns. Missing a spawn forces a reset. You finish by defeating the final boss or completing the last map sequence, then immediately loot and turn in the quest to claim the taunt. Once received, open your collection or emote menu to equip and test it. If the taunt does not appear, relog and clear temporary cache, then reattempt only the final stage. Often that resolves sync issues. If problems persist, verify you completed every prerequisite and item combined step, and retry during off-peak hours for stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.